what happened today needs to never happen again. I don't know where I went wrong. Hey guys, welcome back to Diva's channel here on YouTube. I'm looking crazy, but we just gonna skip that. This is what I'm working with, and I'm gonna skip to the part where I hopefully have some of my hair blow dry.
As you can see, I have recovered from my wash day, and you know, I got some hair blow dried now. I'll come back when I have my last section.
Better yet with your friends and them. I really want to show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Yeah, we're on the last section. So I'm detangling from tip to root, and I'm also applying my It's a 10 leave-in conditioner, and then I am blow drying with my 2-step Revlon blow dryer. And y'all, this saved me so much time. Last time I blow dried my hair, no cap, it took me 6 hours. This time it only took me about 1.5. I noticed that the more damp my hair was, the better the blow dry came out. So in the front of my hair, the blow dry came out really nice. Like, my hair was more smooth. In the back, it is more dry. I don't know how to explain it, but it's not as smooth as the front blow dry. So I'm feeling myself. I'm over here doing unnecessary stuff, you know, shaking my hair left and right, because this is the first time I actually did a great blow dry on my hair. I mean, it needs some work. Here's the shed hair that I have. A lot came out, but this is after 2 months of styling.
Every time I come back, something happened, so I had to go to church, and I ended up putting a wig on top of it, because I literally was doing my hair since 5 o'clock yesterday. So I came back from church, I took a nap, I'm about to get started. I'm trying to figure out if I want to blow dry again so I can get it really...
Yeah, girl, be quiet. So I definitely did not blow dry my hair again. I just went ahead and started straightening, and you know, whatever was gonna be was gonna be. And I'm just using my boar bristle brush, and I'm following with my flat iron, you know, the chase method. So I am only using 350-degree heat because I'm a little worried about heat damage, and I know I'm going to curl it at the end, so it's no point of, you know, putting so much heat. The lower the heat, the more fast I could do. I'm also trimming as I go. I trimmed while I had the braids in, but I just kept on trimming with each stage because I would notice that my ends were still split and I wasn't cutting off enough.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. See, no one else
And another woman that could take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.
Yay, so we're on the last section, and every other section you see that are in the bantu knots have already been straightened. And this time, like with the last few ones I have been doing, I just been curling it on the first try, or at least trying to. And if the first pass didn't look right, I would do another pass, because I know I put enough heat protectant. So you're gonna see me do another pass after this, trying to curl it.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love.
I don't know why I try to, flat iron these little edges. I'm just like, it's not working out.
Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene?
So it's definitely not giving silk press. It's definitely giving blow dry, but don't worry, we are gonna fix this. I combed everything out and I put them in perm rods instead, and y'all are gonna see exactly how that came out. Don't mind me here, I'm just acting very foolish. Yeah, I know y'all see me brushing the waves, yeah. So this is the same night.
This is how we're going to bed, and hopefully the girls stay. This silk press video did not go how I planned it to go, but this broke, so I ain't gonna lie, I took a little sneak peek.
Okay, so after I take everything out, I added some serum, and if I seen any other ends looking crazy, I still trim them again. But for the most part, I just added some serum, and then I did my baby hairs, and then I just adjusted it to see how I liked it. And the side part thing was not, was not coming out right, so I just stuck with the middle part because it was looking good.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you are. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the south, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
So I'm almost done. I did brush the middle part because it was a little clumpy because of the rollers, especially the back. I didn't notice until later, but it basically left like a little formation where the rollers stopped. Here are the final results, and I actually love it. I'm okay with it not being bone straight. I still feel like it has body and volume. And I really think I did good for my first time.